Thanks for calling Internal Revenue Service.
Okay, alright.
Yes, I'm here. I'm a technician for the computer.
Okay, for 1 year this is $249.95.
Credit card, debit card, cash, check. You order one. Am I clear to you?
Tax Crime Investigation Unit of Internal Revenue Service, how can I help you?
Yes, ma'am. I was returning a phone call.
So, can you verify me your phone number where you received a call from our department?
Yeah, it's the one I'm on now, 770-890-8690.
Alright, sir, you have reached the Tax Crime Investigation Unit of Internal Revenue Service. You are speaking to Junior Officer Kathleen Reed, and I'm holding a badge ID number of IR. Internal Revenue Service, how may I help you?
Yes, I was just speaking with Kathleen and we got disconnected.
Speaking to Kathleen.
Right.
Alright, just hold the line.
Okay.
Thank you for holding the line. You
Yes.
told me you're speaking to Kathleen, right?
Yes, I was holding for Kathleen.
Alright, did she explain you the reason why you were calling us today?
No, she didn't. We just started talking and we got disconnected. Ma'am, I cannot hear you good.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Is it better?
Yes, that's better. Thank you.
Alright. Who am I speaking to?
This is Brian Wilson.
Alright. Just hold the line while I get the required information for you, alright?
All right, thank you.
Most welcome. Thank you for holding the line.
Yes, ma'am.
Brian, can you just tell me what's your last name?
Wilson?
Wilson, right?
Right.
And Brian, can you just verify your mailing address updated with the IRS?
Yeah, and I'm having problems hearing you again.
Brian, can you just verify your mailing address updated with the IRS?
Yes, it's 180 Smith Road, Atlanta, Georgia, 30303.
It's 30303.
Right.
All right. Brian, the reason why we are trying to get in touch with you like this is because there has been a lawsuit filed against your name.
A lawsuit?
Yeah.
From
And
who?
Mr. Wilson, I'll tell you. From the government IRS.
Oh, what for?
Because I will let you know.
Okay.
There was a random audit conducted on your past taxes, and the Treasury Department found that there was a major miscalculation error on your tax files. Meaning you were filing your taxes on time, but you were not filing the actual amount you were supposed to pay to the government. And currently the government thinks that you're trying to defraud the IRS by hiding your actual income.
No, ma'am.
Brian
Not at all.
Smith, Brian Wilson, who files for your taxes. Do
Well,
you do it by yourself, or do you have any third person to do that for you?
No, I have a third party that does them. He's a tax accountant. He's been doing them for years.
All right.
It's Honest Harold's Garage and Taxes. He's been doing them for me for years.
All right. See, well, understand the government never told you to hire any taxpayer. He didn't tell you to hire any accountant or any third person to file for your taxes. All right, but you yourself have decided to hire a third person to file for your taxes, so you will be facing the allegations, not the third person. And there are serious four allegations pressed under your name.
Allegations.
I'll just read them out for you.
Okay.
It's count one,
Who am I
violation of
speaking with, ma'am?
federal.
I don't even know your name.
My name is Susan Matthias.
Susan, and what was the last name?
It's Matthias. You want me to spell that?
Please.
It's M as in Mike, A as in Alpha, T as in Tango, H as in Hotel, I as in Indigo, S as in Sierra.
Mathis.
Matthias.
Susan Mathis.
Matthias.
Okay.
Matthias. Yes.
All right.
My badge ID number is IRM, Internal Revenue Member 1850.
Okay.
IRM 1850.
I've got it.
And the series for allegations are violation of federal tax regulation, violation of Internal Revenue Code, theft by deception, and the fourth, willful misrepresentation of information to the government organization. Which
Theft
means
by deception.
Under the section 6331H, the IRS will mark a lien on all your assets, including your house and your car.
My car.
Your bank accounts will be frozen, and you will be taken into custody and investigated for 72 hours. Your social security number will be blacklisted, and you will be not eligible for any further benefits from the government in the future.
Wow.
The same will be notified to all the credit reporting agencies and your employer as well that you try to defraud the IRS so that they can seize all your wages. And now, since I have explained you each and everything on this call, my job is done. Now, if the call gets disconnected from your end, the IRS system will think that you're trying to run out from the situation, and your arrest warrant will be released. Within 30 to 35 minutes, you will be taken into custody and investigated for 72 hours. After that, you will be given a fair chance to hire a criminal attorney who can fight against the IRS for you in the courthouse.
Okay, well,
But
what
if
is
you
it?
fall
Do
guilty
I
in the
owe
courthouse-
money? Do I owe money
I
or
will
what?
Yes, I will explain you that as well.
Okay, how
But
much
if you
do I
fall
owe?
guilty in the courthouse, you will be paying $95,000 in the courthouse, the penalty charge, or in for prison for 5 years. And the case what is filed against your name, that is defrauding the IRS by hiding your actual income.
Okay, well, how much do I
And
owe?
the outstanding amount which you owe to the IRS for your past years, the penalty and the legal charges, that is $4,945. That's an outstanding amount which you owe to the IRS.
Okay, well, that's not a lot.
But Mr. Wilson, looking at your past records, I have not found any criminal record under your name.
Okay.
So if the IRS gives you a chance to resolve this matter outside the courthouse, what would you like to do? Would you like to hire a criminal attorney and fight against the IRS? Or would you like to resolve it outside the courthouse?
No, I would like to resolve it outside of the courthouse. Because I imagine that's in Washington, isn't it?
All right. Well, understand, Mr. Wilson, the resolvent option is not in my hand. It's with the attorney and with the senior officer. I will be connecting you to the senior officer who will be helping you to resolve this matter. All right?
Okay, all right. Thank you, Miss Mathis.
Yeah. So just hold the line here. I connect you.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Hi, Brian. This is Dennis.
Hey, Dennis.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
I used to have
Mr.
a brother
Wilson,
named. I used to have a brother named
You-
Dennis.
Oh, that sounds good. Where is he now?
He passed away several years ago.
Okay. I'm sorry for that, Mr. Wilson. I
Thank
hope
you.
he's enjoying his time in heaven.
Uh-huh.
So, Mr. Wilson, let's talk about your case now. Yes, $4,950 the IRS is claiming against your name, which you still have not paid. There were miscalculations found in the taxes.
How
which
much did you
filed,
say?
and
How much did you say?
It's $4,945,
Right,
which is
yeah.
outstanding under your name.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, this amount was calculated when an audit was conducted on your name in the past years.
Okay. All right.
Now,
I don't
you
do
are
my
looking
taxes.
for,
I have someone else to do them because I travel a lot with a band, and you know, I just have someone to take
you
care of
are
all
a
that.
member of a band, sir. You
Right.
are a member of a band?
Right.
Okay. Uh, may I know the name of your band, sir?
It's the Brian Wilson Review.
Brian Wilson Review.
Right.
Hold on. What music do you play, sir?
Rock and roll, top 40, stuff like that. Oldie stuff before your time, probably.
That is correct. Yeah, these days everyone is all electronically.
Yeah,
No one
no,
uses
we don't
instruments
do no
anymore.
electronic music. We do the a lot of stuff from the '60s and the '70s.
Okay.
You ever heard of a
You got a
song
nice
called
band, sir.
Kokomo?
Kokomo?
Uh-huh.
I have not, but I'll surely listen to it once I leave work today.
Okay.
Who is the artist? Is it you?
Yeah, that my band, we did that.
Okay, sir. I'll surely listen to it.
Okay.
I'll give it a year. Now let's talk about your case, sir. My officer told me you are looking for a settlement. Am I correct?
Yes. Can I go to the IRS website and pay this?
Sir, you will need to go yourself physically and pay this. Today there is a black spot on your tax file and a red flag on your social security number, wherein you cannot make any direct payments to the Internal Revenue Service. What you will do is you will make a security deposit to the courthouse for the cancellation of the warrant. Okay? This
Okay.
security deposit will be presented in the federal courthouse as a piece of evidence for the cancellation of your case. There will be an appointment fixed for you with a local IRS office where you will visit yourself physically and collect your paperwork. Over there at the office, once you sign up the documents provided to you, the security deposit from the courthouse will be transferred to the Internal Revenue. Until and unless you collect your paperwork, the money will be safe with the government. Okay?
Okay. All right.
This payment you will need to do it electronically, for which you will need to visit your bank, sir.
Okay. Well,
Alright.
I've got the money with me
Uh-huh.
I've got the money with me to pay it.
I understand, sir. That's what I'm asking you. Like, do you have it in cash with you, or do you have it into your bank accounts?
I have it on a debit card, same as cash.
Same as cash. Okay. So we can either use the electronic payment mode where you will visit the bank, or you can visit the nearest government certified store and do this payment. What you will need to do is you will need to convert the dollar amount into a federal tax payment voucher. Have you done an EFTPS before, electronic federal tax payment system?
No, because like I said, normally I don't mess with this. I have an accountant that does it, so
Okay, no problem.
I've never
Now,
done it.
what is your current location, Mr. Wilson, like where you are in the country?
I'm in Atlanta, Georgia right now.
You're in Atlanta, Georgia. How's the weather out there in Atlanta?
Oh, it's fine.
My
It's
hometown.
great. It's great. Your hometown,
Alright.
is that where you're from?
I got it from...
Yeah, that's where I'm from, but I have not been there for like past 10 years due to
Oh,
work.
okay. All right.
My
You don't
family and me.
sound like you're from Atlanta.
I was born in Atlanta, sir. My family, it's not from America.
Oh, okay. All right.
Oh,
What
Yeah.
part of Atlanta were you
So-
from?
I was from the south,
South Atlanta. Okay.
south of
Over
Atlanta.
over next to Greensboro, in that area.
Near the river basin,
Yeah. Yeah, I
the
know.
attached Chattahoochee River, you know it?
Yeah, right there close to Greensboro.
That is
Yeah,
correct.
yeah, I know where that is. I sure do.
Yeah. Yeah. So, yes. Uh, yes. Is there any location, any branch location of your bank nearby you, sir, where you are?
Yeah, there's a, yeah. But
Okay. How far is it from, sir?
can I pay this at my bank?
Yes, sir. You can visit your bank and complete the payment. Sir, I told you will be making a payment to the federal courthouse, wherein you will be provided with a federal account. Okay,
Okay.
this
Yeah.
federal account, you will make a security deposit too. The amount will be presented in the federal account itself. It will not be transferred to the internal revenue until and unless you collect your paperwork. To collect the paperwork, you can go yourself or you can have your accountant visit the IRS office. Okay?
Okay. And I
Today,
do that,
you need
and
to
I
go
can do
yourself
this,
and complete this time.
and I can
Tell
do
me.
this at my bank.
That is correct. You will need to
Okay.
do an electronic wire transfer. Have you done a wire transfer before?
No, I never have.
You never have.
No.
So, sir, I will need you to stay connected on the line with me throughout the whole process until and unless I provide you with the cancellation number. I'm going to work on some of the paperwork over here. Any issue I find it with your papers, I can ask you the question for the same and get it rectified. Can you start moving towards your bank, sir? I'll get the federal account from the courthouse where you need to make the wire transfer.
Okay, yeah, it'll give me just a minute.
Sure, you have your checkbook with you, sir?
Yeah, I've got my debit card. Debit card same as cash. That's all I need.
All right, at the bank, sir, when you are making a wire transfer, they will ask you for documents. Do you have your driver's license, your state ID with you?
Sure, I got my driver's license, yeah.
All right. So I'm just going ahead and sending an email across to the attorney panel for the federal account where you will make the wire transfer to. Stay connected on the line, sir. My junior officer will be on the line with you. Once you get inside your car, just let her know that you are ready to move towards the bank. Okay?
Oh, okay, all right.
All right. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, hello, is anyone there?
I'm there.
Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah.
I'm ready to.
Miss Matthias.
Okay, I'm ready to head to the bank, Miss Matthias.
All right. So once you start driving, let me know. All right?
Okay.
Yeah. So once you start driving, you just need to let me know, and do not speak to me while you're driving. Just keep the phone on the speaker mode. All right?
Okay. It'll take me about
Yeah.
10 minutes.
Oh, it will take 10 minutes? That's great. But once you reach the bank, outside the bank, you just need to let me know, all right?
Okay, I'm going that way.
Yeah. All right. Drive safe.
Okay.
Mr. Wilson, are we still connected?
Yes.
All right, sir. You drive safely, sir. I cannot talk to you while you're driving. Once you get to the bank's parking lot, do not move inside, okay? Wait for my instructions. Park
Okay.
your car and tell me a hello.
Sure.
All right?
Yes. Sure.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Okay, I'm pulling in the parking lot.
You reached the parking lot?
Yes.
All right. Hold on. I'll connect you to the senior officer, all right?
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Hello, Mr. Wilson. This is Dennis.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Wilson, I was sending the email across to the attorney for the federal account details. I will also need to attach a photo document, which can be a copy of your driver's license that I need to attach it to it and send it to them. Now, do you use a smartphone, sir, where you can click a picture?
No, I do not.
You don't use a smartphone. Are you familiar
No.
with the email process?
I don't have email on my phone.
You don't have email on your phone.
No,
okay.
I've got a flip phone.
Okay, no problem, sir. So just give me a moment. Let me send the email across to them, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, stay in the parking lot.
Okay.
Okay. Hello.
Yes.
All right, sir. Now, what you will need to do is, sir, in order to get this thing done, in order to send us a picture of your driver's license, you will need to visit a UPS store. Do you have a UPS store nearby your bank?
Not that I don't know of one.
You don't know. Okay, sir, if we cannot get the copy of your driver's license, we cannot get the federal account from the Treasury Department. So for completing the payment, we will have to use one another mode. Okay? You can use your debit card for that.
Okay, what do I need to do?
Sir, the dollar amount. You need to convert this dollar amount into a EFTPS voucher. EFTPS, it's Electronic Federal Tax Payment System. Okay, you will visit a government certified store. You will purchase the voucher for the respected amount, and you will keep the voucher with you. When the appointment is fixed for you, you will need to carry the voucher to the IRS office and hand over the document as a piece of evidence. Today you will just buy the voucher. I will register the card under your name, and you will keep it with yourself. Okay?
Okay. I don't know where a government store is.
You can find it online. I will find it online, sir, for you. Do you have any Apple store nearby you? Any Apple store?
Apple store, like in a computer, Apple?
Yes, correct. The Apple store, the normal Apple store.
Don't have an Apple store. I've got a Best Buy.
You got a Best Buy?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me get the email from the attorney. I have to inform them that we will be going for another payment mode. If they approve it, I'll give you the address where you have to go, okay? Do not start driving. Stay in the parking lot.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. All right. Mr. Wilson, I'm back.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Can I have your current zip code where you are at?
Yeah, 30303, Atlanta, Georgia.
Okay. Also wanted to make a career in music, but here am I, counting papers.
Okay, well, it's never too late.
It's never too late, sir. I can get inspired from you, you know, from that statement. It's never
I appreciate
too late.
that.
I thank you for that, sir. You are an inspiration already. So what music are you into actually, other than the one that you make? What music that you like?
I like the Beatles. I like Elvis.
Elvis, good.
Boston, Foreigner, Journey.
What about Linkin Park?
Lincoln, no, that's a little bit too new for me. I'm more of a 60s, 70s, and 80s.
Okay, sure. So most of the music which you might have heard or you might have liked, I still have no clue about it.
Yeah.
Except then the one like the Beatles, the Elvis.
Right. Oh yeah, they're legendary.
They are legendary. They are.
Yeah, I just got back from Nassau on the sloop John B. Me and my grandfather went down there, and Lord knows we got drunk, got into a fight.
You guys got into a fight with each other?
No, not with each other, with some other people.
With some other people. Okay.
Yeah.
And was it,
I mean, we
was it
didn't
sorted
really
out?
we didn't really fight. It was just a disagreement.
Okay, it was just a disagreement. Got it.
Right.
It happens, sir. It happens.
Oh yeah.
Were
Yeah.
were you fighting over any football game?
No, we were drinking. You know, everybody was drinking, and we went on the sloop John B. And you know that's never good when you do that.
Right, right. I understand that. So
And,
I have the email over here, sir. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Tell me.
No, I was going to say, and then
No,
the
tell me.
cook, he caught the fits, and you know, he threw away
The
the
authorities
grits
came
and
in.
everything. Yeah.
They came. All right. Everything is sorted out now.
Okay.
I'm asking you, sir, about that thing. Is it sorted
Oh
out
yeah,
now?
yeah. It's all sorted out now. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now, let me go ahead and brief you how you are going to complete this wire transfer, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now, I will provide you with the account details. It's a law firm where you are going ahead and making the security deposit to. This money
A
will
law
be
firm.
presented in that account with the courthouse until and unless you collect your paperwork. Once you collect your paperwork, the money will be transferred from the account to the internal revenue. What you're going to do inside the bank is you are going to go to a teller. You are going to provide them with your details, and first you are going to confirm your balance. Got it?
I'm going to confirm what?
Confirm your balance. Just tell them.
My
like, ask
balance.
them
Balance.
generally.
Okay.
Yeah, what is
okay.
my balance?
Okay.
All right. Then you're going to ask them that you want to make a wire transfer. They will tell you where to go in order to do the wire transfer. At the wire transfer teller, you tell them that here is the account details. I need to do a wire transfer of $4,595. Okay?
Okay. And
All right.
where do I
So
send the money to? What's the account?
Yeah. Write down the account details, sir.
Okay.
You have a
I've-
fresh piece of paper and pen handy with you. Take
Yes,
a fresh
I do.
piece of paper.
I do.
Okay. First, write down the bank name. It's Flushing Bank. F-L-U-S-H-I-N-G. Flushing Bank.
Flushing Bank. Okay.
And the account name, it's Neo Mio. N-E-O-M-I-O. N like Nancy, E like Echo, O like Orange, M like Mary, I like internal, O like orange. Got it?
Neo Mio.
Neo Mio Inc. I-N-C. Neo Mio
Okay.
Inc. This
Okay.
is the name of the account. Write down the account number.
Okay.
It's 8900
All right.
170
Okay.
668.
Okay. I got it.
Write down the routing number.
Okay.
It's 226
226
070
070
474.
474. Okay.
Now write down the account address.
Okay.
It's 8080-22
Okay.
237th Street,
Okay.
New York. The zip code is 11427.
Okay.
All right. Now write down the bank address, the bank branch address.
Okay. I'm ready.
1122 1122 Franklin Avenue,
Okay.
Garden City, New York.
Garden City, New York. Okay.
The zip code is 11530.
Okay. I got it.
Now, write down my name and my information, sir, on a different
Okay.
piece of paper if you can. My
Okay.
first name and my last name, you can write it down. It's Dennis, Dennis. Dennis.
Okay.
Last name is Dunn, Dunn, and like
Okay.
Nancy.
All right.
Now, just to know that you and we are on the same boat, can you repeat the procedure which you are going to follow inside the bank for the wire transfer?
Well, I just find out who the teller is that can wire money, and I just wire that
Alright.
amount, $49.45, into that account.
49. That is correct. Now, the branch which you are visiting, sir, is it your home branch or some other location?
Yeah, the one I'm at now.
Yes, it is your home
Yeah,
branch.
yes, it is.
Are you familiar with the people inside? Do they know you?
Somewhat.
Somewhat, okay. Only reason
Yeah.
I'm asking you this because you are making a payment for your settlement with the federal government, okay?
Okay.
The people
All
who
right.
you are going to negotiate with, it's the state government people, the state members. Now, they don't have the authority to have the information that you have a tax fraud case on your name. To find that out, they might investigate you. They will ask you 3 simple questions. Do you know this person? Where you are sending this money to? When do you want this transfer to happen? What you're gonna tell them is, yes, I do know the person. I'm doing this transaction for business purposes, and I need to do an instant electronic wire transfer. Are we clear?
Yeah. I mean, if I tell them it's for my taxes, they'll help me.
No, sir, they will not help you. You are making an outside the court settlement. Your bank has not been informed about your tax fraud case. If they come to know about it, and what they will do is they will not allow you to make the transaction. They will make you
okay.
sit there in the legal department. They will call the authorities to go ahead and take a legal action on you, which we don't want to happen. We don't want
No.
your state government to interrupt in this matter. Okay?
Oh,
That's the
okay.
reason. Inside the
Okay.
bank, you are not going to tell them that you are doing this for an IRS settlement. You are going to tell them, I'm doing this for my personal use. I'm doing this transaction for my business purposes. Okay?
Okay. All right.
All right. Now write down my number, sir. Take down my number. It's 202.
Is this a phone number or what?
This is my phone number, my direct desk number.
Okay. 202.
Uh-huh.
Okay. All right.
996
996
6306.
6306. Okay.
That is correct. Now, once you complete the wire transfer, sir, you will get the receipt of this wire transfer. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Now, we will need a copy of the receipt of the same to attach it to your document and get the cancellation paperwork. Can
Okay.
you ask the bank teller a favor? Can you tell them to click a picture of the receipt and send it to this number? Is it possible for you? Just ask them a
Yeah.
favor if they can provide it to you.
Yeah, but how will they do that?
They just need to click a picture from their mobile phone, from the teller's
Oh,
mobile
okay.
phone, if he or she they have it. They can click
Okay.
a picture, normal text message to my number, to the same number. Correct?
Okay. All right. I'll ask.
Okay.
I don't know what they'll say, but I'll ask.
Yeah, just tell them I need to send it to my business partner, the receipt. Can you just do it for me? If they
Okay.
don't do
Yeah,
it, that's okay. Come outside the store, just come outside the bank and then speak to me. Okay?
Okay. All right.
All right, so we are good to go now. You can move inside the bank. Keep the phone in your pocket, okay? Make sure you don't speak to me while you're inside the bank. Once you come outside the bank, once you get the wire transfer done, I will be holding the line for you. Come back outside the bank, be seated inside your car, and then speak to me. All right?
Okay. All right.
All right. All right.
Okay.
So good luck
Here.
with the transaction, Mr. Wilson. I will be holding the line for you. Put me on a
Okay.
speaker mode, sir, if you can, and put me in your pocket. Okay? Thank you.
Okay. All right. Here I go.
Yes, sure.
Oh, really? I don't know that. No. Sure. Okay. Mr. Dunn. Hello, Mr. Dunn. Hello.
Hello. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
is
Hello.
this Mr. Dunn?
This is done.
Okay. The lady that was going to wire the money, the lady that does the money wiring transfer,
Uh-huh.
she said this was a scam.
No, sir. How could you believe that? I am asking you to make a transaction from your reputed financial institution.
Ah, come
That is
on. I
your
know
bank.
it's a scam too. I've been fooling you all along. Man, you shouldn't scam people. You're a thief. You're a thief. You shouldn't scam people, man.
Lady told him it's a scam.
Yeah, you're a scammer.
Mr. Wilson, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
How could you believe that, sir? You are doing a transaction from a reputed financial institution.
Because
That is your bank.
you're not the IRS. You're not the IRS. You are a scammer. You are a thief.
Not from the IRS.
And he hangs up. But we wasted a lot of his time.
Dark chemistry, by and by will defy a little bit of gravity. Afternoon delight, cocktails and